Good morning, everybody. It's your boy, Mighty J. I'm out here on my morning run, but since this thing is in the air, I was looking for a mask to wear, and I couldn't find anyone. I couldn't find a mask, so had to improvise. So this video is to show you how to make a mask out of your own shirt. If your shirt has a hoodie, you can make a mask with it. All you gotta do is wear the shirt backward. Alright, so the hoodie we're facing front. So after you wear the shirt backward, you use the hoodie to cover your nose and your mouth, and you can find an office pin or clip to hold it together on the back. Pin it.
All right.
Then you have yourself a mask. Yeah, that's it.
Hey,
make the mask out of your own shirt. If you have a hoodie shirt, you have yourself a mask. Right, there you have it. Have a good day and happy Easter to you and yours. Christ has risen. All right, take care. Love you.